guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? So in today's video, I'm going to share with you not one, not two, not three, but 15 face washes for all skin type, for different skin types. So everyone will get some or the other recommendation from this video. So you're going to get something for yourself for sure. But before starting off, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon that will make you notified whenever I upload new videos. And you can also follow my makeup page, that is Priyank Makeup and Hair, and my own account, that is Priyanka Almeida. Everything will be linked in the description, and all the face wash recommendations will also be in the description, so you can directly purchase. So don't worry if I just miss out on a name or price or whatever. Used personally all of the face washes I've used, and in my previous videos, or if you are my regular watcher, you will know that I have shown all of the face washes here and there karke. But some of the face washes here are new. I've used them. I have not shown on my channel. Let's talk with the OG, that is the Himalaya Neem face wash. Everyone have used that face wash at one point of time, and even I myself have used that. That was one of the first face wash that I've used. I don't have it here. Some face washes I don't have because practically I just can't keep all the packages. So whenever the face washes get over, the products get over, I just dump it in the dustbin, right? But I've kept some. But Neem face wash I've also shared in my past videos that is very basic face wash to start with. If you're very just beginner with your skincare and stuff, that is very good. Neem face wash is so good. I also have the Himalaya oil clear face wash. This is the lemon one. This is also very good. I have recently got this on Nykaa. I really like it, the way it cleans my skin. But it's not that stripping on the skin that I hate about face washes. When face washes are stripping, puri oil nikal dete, it's not that great. But it has a lot of fragrance. But Himalaya Neem face wash doesn't have a lot of fragrance, so that's great. This face wash, the oil clear one, has fragrance. So if you are sensitive skin people, this face wash will not be good for you. But other than that, oily skin people will love this face wash. Start with the second one, that is the Derma Co face wash. This is the AHA BHA foaming face wash. I got this recently again from Nykaa. I have used this like a lot. Also, there is one more bottle I've completely used. This is the second one which I'm using. So I actually like this face wash because it has AHA and BHA, that is the cleaning agent on your skin. So it's going to exfoliate your skin. So even on a regular basis, if you're not scrubbing, if you're not that great with your skincare routine, you hate scrubbing, using face mask, having all these pamper sessions all the time, this face wash will do all the job for you. So it's going to clean your skin. It's going to really remove all the dead skin cells, all the dirt, grime which is there on your skin that you need. For that you need regular facials and scrubbing and stuff. So this face wash will do all of the job. Again, it's very affordable, $349. You get a huge 100 ml of bottle, and this is a foaming face wash. If you want me to review this face wash, let me know. I have not reviewed this yet, but yeah, I'm really, if you have extremely sensitive skin, this will not suit you. So make sure that you really patch test, as it has this chemical exfoliant. They are not that great for sensitive skin. Okay, the third one is the Nykaa face washes. Now I got the sandalwood and orange one. This is literally over. It's completely over. I have a review on this. I will link the review in the description so you can check it out. So this has 3 variants. I have the sandalwood one. So this is very good for tanning and stuff. As it says, it's anti-tanning and all that. Now I don't see a huge difference with tanning and all, because in a just one use, you never see a difference in your tan, because it is something that is there as a layer on your skin. So it takes time to heal. But other than that, the face wash is good. It definitely cleans your skin, but not stripping. That is the best part. Face washes, when they strip your skin from the actual natural oil, that is, I think, very bad. When you feel that stretchy thing on your over your skin, it's very bad. I have oily skin, and for me this works very nice. Also I'm going to I'm going to try the Neem and the other variant which they have. But other than that, I really like this face wash. Okay, the fourth one is the Wow Vitamin C face wash. Now this is very good as well. This is gel based formulas. Now most of the face washes that I've shown is gel based, so they are really foaming on your skin, but they're not stripping on your skin. So the Wow face wash, which is a vitamin C, very good for oily skin, dry skin. Also, it's going to really give a lot of glow. Now when I've used this, I didn't see a lot of glow on my skin, but I've seen some reviews on internet, and also some of my friends, they have told that this gives a lot of glow on their skin. So again, it's skin to skin differences, preferences, it differs a lot. But other than that, I really liked this face wash for cleaning my skin, and it doesn't strip. Again the claim that it says that it lightens and brightens, so I hate the word lighten, but brighten definitely it does for me, but not to like another level, but it's nice. Okay, so the fifth one is Plum Green Tea face wash. Now I had the travel size one, so I used this completely, and I didn't get my hands again on the full size, but I love this face wash. I have used this, so I had got the whole range of some Plum stuff and I got free minis. So I really like this face wash. They also have face mask, scrub and all. I didn't like those much, but the green tea face wash is nice. It's very cleaning on your skin. Again, gel based. It also has some kind of beads in it, so very nice to kind of exfoliate. Not that harsh exfoliate, but it's nice. Something that oily skin, also acne prone skin definitely can give this a try. The next face wash is one of the face wash that took me like more than 2 months to get over. This is the Face Shop Herb Cleansing Foam. So I have literally used this. That's the reason it's half. But this is the foaming face wash. So it literally is like cream based. So when you take just a little, you just need a very little amount, and it will just foam a lot, and this will be so good on your skin. Now this face wash is very stripping on your skin. This will not have a layer of moisturization on your skin. This will really remove all the excessive oil from your skin and stuff. So you have to make sure that you have extremely oily skin, and during this time summer skin, this is the best, I guess. It is also very affordable, something around for 300, and this will last you for more than 2 months for sure. I was using this day and night, and still I got rid of this after like more than 2 months, to be honest, and I was really bored of this. But it's very good, very exfoliating, and you will feel that your skin has literally just got rid of that excessive oil and all that. So it's nice. It's definitely nice. They have other variants also that you can try and choose from. Also from the Plum itself, I also have used the grapeseed and sea buckthorn face wash. This is how it looks. I have, again, this is like that. This is the face wash that is very good for dry skin people, because it has sea buckthorn. It's very hydrating, and the fact that sea buckthorn and grapeseed is very good as a hydrator and also nourisher. So if you have dry skin, and if you have kind of you just want to just clean your skin and also get a good amount of hydration on your skin, this is one of the best face wash to try. Again, it has fragrance. That is the worst part, I can say. It really irritates me. I really hate fragrance in my skincare. But other than that, the face wash is very good. Again, it has some kind of beads in it, so it's kind of exfoliating. Not that exfoliating, but it has that beads, so you can still give it a shot. For dry skin people and extremely very much the people who need glow and they have dry skin at the same time, this one is going to suit you a lot. Face washes I don't have here. The Clean and Clear foaming face wash, I will put a picture on the screen so you can have a look. The face wash is also very good. Again, it's foaming, so it's going to really deeply clean your skin. It's very good for summer season, and the best part is that it is not going to strip your skin. Now I have used the minis whenever I used to go to college and whenever I used to feel that oiliness on my skin. Himalaya Neem face wash and the Clean and Clear face wash oil clear is like something that every students or college students have them in their pocket, in their pouch basically. But you can definitely give it a shot if you have not. It's very good. So the ninth one is by Lotus. So Lotus Neem and Clove face wash is also very nice. I had used that during my 10th board, so I guess that time I was stressing and I was getting a lot of acne, and the Neem and Clove one really helped me not to get rid of them, but it was actually removing my excessive oil and not giving that strippiness on my skin as it have clove. The clove is very antibacterial, antiseptic, so it's going to heal those bacteria on your skin, get rid of all those bacteria, and really give you good nourishment on the skin at the same time. So the Neem and Clove one is very good as well. Tree in Lotus, it has tea tree and cinnamon. Even that is very good for oily acne prone skin. Highly recommend this two face wash from Lotus, the Neem and Clove, and the tea tree and cinnamon one. Both of the face washes are on the screen, as you can see. Both of them are really good for oily and acne prone skin. Is Garnier Neem face wash. I have used this so much. I was actually in the phase of trying a lot of Neem face washes back then, so I used to use different brands Neem face washes because I got really bored of Himalaya. So even the Garnier Neem face wash is very good. It's very cleaning on the skin. It's stripping, so you're not going to feel that nourishment and that moisturizing on your skin, but it's going to really clean your skin and you're going to feel that tightness on your skin. But during summertime, I guess some oily skin people will really love it. It's very cleaning on your skin, and then after that just layer a good moisturizer and you're sorted. Okay, the 11th one is by Biotique, obviously one of the amazing brands of India. Biotique Neem face wash is also good, and I think the recommendation here is the Papaya Biovisible Papaya face wash is also very good. It has those exfoliating part. Basically, I don't know if it's a face wash or scrub, but it does the job of both. So it's not that scrubby, but it's not that foamy also. So it's like doing both of the jobs. So I will recommend not to use it every single day. You can alternately use it, but it's very nice for oily skin, dry skin. It's going to remove all the dead skin from your skin. A lot of my friends who have acne prone skin, dry skin, they have used it and they loved it. So I will highly recommend it because I have used that in the past. I have also reviewed it, so you can check it out. The reviews, all the products which I have talked about, if I have reviewed any of those, out of them. I will put it in the description. You can check the reviews if you want to check it out. Now the 12th one is by Nivea Milk Delight face washes. They are very good, they are very creamy, and they have a lot of variants in it for sensitive, oily skin, dry skin. So that is the best part. They have sorted the game for you, so you can choose accordingly. I got the gram flour one. I guess I had reviewed that in the past. Again, I have to see, and I will link it in the description. But that one, the milk one, is so good. It has gram flour extracts in it, so whenever you're using, you will see the gram flour that is a basin in your face wash, and that is the best part. If they're incorporating like DIY stuff in your face washes, so I think it's enough for you. They have a lot of variants, as I said, so you can choose according to your skin type and your sorted. Okay, now the last three face washes I'm going to recommend for mostly sensitive skin people. They have no fragrance, they have no parabens muchly in it, but they are very good for sensitive skin people and very extremely oily skin, extremely acne prone skin who have severe acne and nothing suits them. So here is the 13th one, which is by Cetaphil. They have, I think, 2-3 variants in it. I have used the creamy variant in the past. It is very good, doesn't have any fragrance, it doesn't even foam, it's very gentle on your skin. So if you have extremely sensitive skin, if you have acne prone skin, that is very severe and you get reacted to a lot of things, the Cetaphil face wash is very good. Again, they have a cream variant, also a gel based variant, so you can choose accordingly. If you have extremely oily skin, you can choose the gel one, and if you have dry skin, you can use the cream one. So it's very good. Cetaphil is a very authentic, and doctors recommend those brands, so you will highly just check it out. My Requel, so I have that face wash here with me. I completely used it literally. So I got Requel some products and I got this face wash free. This is the oil control face wash. Now it has zinc, and it is also soap free and sulfate free. It is literally, as you can see, the bottle is very tiny, and you can literally travel with this. Now I don't know if they sell this alag se, but this is for 150 rupees, which is great. It will last you for more than 1 month. It looks tiny, but this will last you a lot. So this has no fragrance at all, and I feel that this face wash is cleaning but will not strip your skin. Very good for sensitive skin. Again, these are the brands that doctors and all recommend, so I think this is also very good face wash. Let's end with the 15th and the last face wash is by Simple. Now Simple is again a very simple and like literally simple brand. There are two face wash I really have used it completely. I have not reviewed in the past, but I guess still I don't have the packet here to show you, but I will put the photo on the screen. It is also very good. My favorite was the one which I am showing on the screen. Now they have the cream based, also gel based. So for me, the gel based worked a lot than the cream based, so you can highly check it out. It's very simple face wash, as the name suggests. It's very gentle on your skin, not going to strip your skin all out. But the creamy one doesn't foam that much. The gel foams a lot, so you can check it out however according to your skin type you want to use. And then yeah, I think that is sorted for you. So this was the 15 face washes for different skin type that I have recommended you. I have used all of the face washes in the past, and the face washes that I have shown you is now something that I have to throw away. I have kept it just to show you. I can't just store and keep all the done face washes or done packet because it's going to get really dirty. But I hope that you like my video. Definitely, I had polled on my Instagram to ask, like, do you want top 10 or top creams and stuff, and I'm going to do a lot of polls on my Instagram so that you can check it out and let me know what exactly products and what exactly recommendation you want from me to make. So definitely make sure that you follow me on Instagram, and yeah, I hope that you like my video. Definitely give me a thumbs up, that would mean a lot. And coming up videos are going to be very good because I'm going to do challenges. I'm going to do Momo challenge, which is coming soon, so stay tuned for it. And you can definitely subscribe. And yeah, my upload days are Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. As I have told, now my regular uploads have been there, so I am putting a lot of efforts now here. Anyways, I hope that you enjoy, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye guys.